chain service time, because this is not okay. I'm gonna pull this old Master Link off. It's a clip style, so you just pop them off. What's that? As long as you're not doing sprockets. Loosen the axle and the chain adjusters, so that way we can push the wheel all the way forward. So that way we have the least amount of chain to start out with.
Let's see.
So you get the chain as tight as you can here. So as you see, it doesn't move to the next set of teeth, but it locks into this set. And you find the mating point, and you need to cut the chain there. Might not be a good place for you to stand. Put it this way just to save. And get your O-rings on there with a little bit of grease. One of my favorite chain press tools, and I think they only cost like $5, but it makes it pretty much impossible to over tighten. See how I'm down here with my hand giving it a pressure? You don't want to be out here and give it as much pressure as you can. You just want a nice little bit of a tension on it. See how it has these channels in it? But these channels don't allow the pins to go any further than the plate. You know you're not going to tighten it too much and still be able to have play. You have to flare out the rivets. So that's what I'm using this tool for. This is also another Motion Pro tool. See how it's nice and free and the links move. Pull the slack out, tension these guys up, get them even on both sides. Comes with some kind of marking or line to show you when they're even. I don't ever use those. Want to set your chain slack properly, you need something that has precise measurements. Until they're even, your tension will never be where it should be. A little tight. The chain's got a decent amount of slack, a little bit more than I'd actually want to ride with. But leave it like that, because when I tighten the axle, most bikes actually tightens up the chain slack when you do. We got our chain slack set after tightening the axle. So most bikes, if they don't have a little sticker on the swing arm like this, then you can find it in your owner's manual. But it actually tells you exactly what the best free play is in this chain for that bike. Make sure there's 40 millimeters of play up and down. You get that all done, and the last step is just to make sure that your adjusters are snugged up, and so are the locking bolts. Always make sure the first locking nut's snug before you tighten down the second one. There you go, that's it.